Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris. If you're new here, I'm just a regular review guy, and today we're reviewing the SYLVANIA Headlight Restoration Kit on my 20-year-old Z4 that has at least one yellow light. Not sure why the other one's not too yellow, maybe had an accident, I'm not sure, but this kit is on Amazon, 28 bucks, has an average rating of 13,000 plus reviews. So it is one of the highest rated kits on Amazon as of recording this video. So guys, let's do it. Let's get to it. So the next step is using the surface activator, step one. Want to spray it on there with generously, let it do its thing. Don't use it all because you need it for the other headlight as well. Alright guys, that's done. So the next step is to start wet sanding, starting with the 400, ending with the 2000. So guys, we're going to do a time lapse here and get it done. Alright guys, as you can see, we have a nice cloudy haze on the light, so we know we got all of it sanded. So what we need to do is take one of your white towels here that they provided, take the step 2 compound, put a quarter size droplet. I don't know what they consider quarter, but I'm going to just put it on here. Well, that's probably too much. All right, well, we are DIYers, and go ahead and spend, they say 5 minutes, but
shut up and sit down.
our 5 minutes is up. Let's go ahead and do the next step in the process. So we need to wash off the lens and then reapply surface activator and then re-rinse. So we'll rinse off the light.
Shut up and sit down.
Another spray of Activator. "30 seconds. "30 seconds is up. Time to re-rinse. The Activator for the second time just helps the UV to coat. Now that we're done with that, they give you use the other white towel, completely dry the headlight surface. So apparently you're supposed to use one for both headlights and then one for drying. So guys, don't use both for the compound, or you'll be doing this with probably a terry cloth or a bounty picker up or paper towel. All right, so that's white, and then we got a nice haze here, which the UV protector should make that go away, which is step 3. All right guys, so we're gonna take our blue towel, the UV coating. Now with this system, it takes 6 hours to fully cure. 1 hour before you can touch it. We'll put this to the ultimate test because I'm going out to a birthday tonight, so I'll be driving this car in a few hours. They want you to wear a glove for this, which you should always wear your glove, right guys? Especially if you're working with something new. Soak the edge. And then one continuous motion. Wipe. Kind of like you were taught in kindergarten.
Shut up and sit down.
And they say the more the better. Oh, the headlight looks brand new. All right guys, well that does it for today's video. I appreciate you watching. This was the SYLVANIA Headlight Restoration Kit, 28 bucks on Amazon. Link is in the description below. I won't do the other side because if you've seen one headlight, you've seen them both, right? The process is the same on either side. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down. If you want to see more content, give me a subscription. Don't cost you a dime, helps my channel grow. I'm not sponsored, so everything that I review, I actually have to pay for on my own. Coming out with reviews every Sunday, and if I can get more product, twice a week, but for sure every Sunday. So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And as always, keep on washing your car, guys. Peace.